little children. Hey dreamers, guess where I am today? Yes, I am again at Paddy Farm, and today I didn't plan to come here since it's Sunday. I was planning to stay home and study and do my assignments, but my mama was coming here. My mom was coming here alone, and since it's too far, I didn't want her to come here alone, so I thought, why not accompany her? So here I am. Guys, just look around. The sunlight, the green trees, and the golden paddies. Everything is so peaceful today, and everything is so magical today. Here, people have already harvested it. They have already cut the ripe paddies and they place it like this here. Yeah, this is how we make rice as farmers, and it's quite a lot. If you can see that there are like cows, and see, this is all like it is full and healthy. It's pretty, have you ever witnessed something like this? This is beautiful, isn't it? Let me show you around. That's my mom right there, and it's amazing. I love it. Just look at this. That's it. The paddies have grown like, it's so golden and ripe. It's so beautiful, and it's like a golden ocean shining under the sunlight, and it's so heavy and fluffy. It's so full and heavy. Let me show you. This is almost ready to be harvested, as you can see. Yeah, and I'm so happy to be here. It's like beautiful weather, beautiful views, and this feels magical, I wish you guys could be here with me and enjoy this beautiful and peaceful view. Let me show you every part of our fields, that how beautiful they look, and yeah, I just fall in love whenever I come here, Let's sit somewhere. It is hot. There's no place to sit. Best is let us find a place. Yeah, this is beautiful. See, everywhere there is full of golden fields, golden paddies, and this looks magical. Dreamer, sitting here makes me realize that we farmer, we don't just grow rice, we grow life, Every grain here feeds somebody, whether they are rich or poor. The rice that people eat every single day in every home, they start from fields like this, and from the hard work, patience and love of farmers, and we may not wear fancy clothes, or we may not work in big offices, but we give the world something priceless, the food, the energy, and it's life itself. And I feel so proud to be a farmer a daughter of a farmer, and yeah, this makes me feel, and yeah, this makes me feel so proud of everything that I have, you know. See, it's so photogenic and so pretty. I love this place. I love this place. I can live here forever, you know. It's so pretty. This looks amazing. And can you see those little children? I meant they are working here, not working, but they have come here with their parents, and yeah, this looks so beautiful. That's everywhere. This place is surrounded by paddy fields, and it's so beautiful, all golden green, and yeah. Would you like to talk to those children? I mean, they will be shy, I guess, I'm sure, but yeah, let's not talk to them. You can just look at them. You know, they are cute little children. And yeah, you know guys, what I feel sitting here, I feel like singing a song of my favorite singer, Ariana Grande, and yeah, if you listen to my song, I will sing it. And so, are you ready? Let's start. But first, let me tell you, I'm not a good singer, so please don't judge me. Okay? So let's start. Right now, I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, I love it, I live it, pick it up. I'm picking it up, I'm loving it, I live it, pick it up. And I forgot lyrics. Right now I'm in a state of mind. I wanna be like all the time. Ain't got no tears left to cry. So I'm picking it up, I'm loving it, I live it, pick it up. I'm picking it up, I'm loving it, I love it, so we turn it up. Yeah, I turn it up. I ain't got no tears in my body, oh boy, I run out of it, and I like it. What if I got copyright? Oh my god, I didn't think about it. Let's stop singing. And guys, we have seen our paddy fields, and now we are heading back home because I am hungry now. So, and I found these flowers, and tell me, how does it look? Do I look pretty? I hope so. And yeah, this weather feels so amazing. It's kind of hot, but that's great. I think it's time to go home now. Yeah. And after I go back home, I'm gonna hit the books hard because today is Sunday. I have to, you know, make the assignments and all. I have to finish it today. And yeah, I will hit the books hard, and my mom and I will make lunch for both of us, and then we will eat it, then we will study, and then I will study, and my mom will take a rest. And yeah, it's kind of tiring to come here by walking, but it's worth it. And guys, I think I found another flower here. Oh my god, this is so pretty. See? Yeah, I'm gonna pluck it. Oof. Wow. I don't know where to put it. Oh my god, there's lots and lots of flowers. See, this is pretty. And here it is. Here we come. another. Let me show you. This is so pretty, and this is I already have plugged in. And yeah, I love flowers. They are my favorite, and that's more on the way. Let me show you this and this. And yeah, I love it. I love flowers. I don't know where to put it, but should I do it right here? No, it will be like over, so I'm not gonna put it. I have already 2 flowers here, so yeah. This don't have any smell. This flower doesn't have any scent of it, yeah. But this looks so pretty, yeah. I have to pass through it. And there are a lot of cycles and motorbikes because it's so far, so people come with their motorbikes and bicycles. Boom boom. Kana boom boom. Hmm? Boom.